Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change playlist cover photo on Spotify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to open Spotify app. So when you open the app, so if you don't have any playlist yet, you have to create playlist. Just go to your library and here you can click on this plus button and here you can create your playlist. But I have already my playlist available here. You can see am.k, so I have opened this. So wait for a few seconds, my playlist is uploading. So here you can see this is my playlist. Simply click on these three dot button and now here you can see edit playlist, all these options here. So just click over here. Now here change image option is here, just click here. Now choose from photos. So now select this photo and now click on use photo. So now here you can see our profile cover image has been changed. So now what we need to do, just click on save button and now wait for a few seconds, our image is uploading. So here you can see finally we have changed playlist cover photo on Spotify.